Hey there, it's George and I'm here to give you a brief overview of Etherlime, the development and deployment solution for Ethereum. Etherlime is based on the most reliable Ethereum library out there, ethers.js. It gives you the stability and confidence you need when developing on blockchain. From Solidity development to unit testing, code coverage reports, and verbose deployment, the tool does it all. Etherlime is your trustworthy companion in your Ethereum journey. Etherlime was born out of necessity when I was tasked with deploying my first real-world smart contract on the mainnet. After a multitude of problems and ETH spent, I had to rely on my custom-made ethers.js scripts to finally get the job done. After this experience, Etherlime was born, giving you the much-needed stability in the volatile world of Ethereum. Over the following weeks, we will be releasing small tutorials describing and showcasing the main functionalities of Etherlime. Some of them are smart contract development, ability to write your own unit tests, generate reports of code coverage, and easy-to-use deployment scripts. In its essence, Etherlime is both JavaScript library and a command line interface tool. The tool allows you to perform all the actions I told you about. Here is how you can install it. Etherlime is readily available global library installable through npm. You can just type npm install global Etherlime and it's going to install for you Etherlime. Let's just do that. As you can see, the latest version is 0.10.5, but yours might differ. And when this command completes, you'll see that Etherlime was added or updated. You can verify that Etherlime was installed by typing Etherlime. It prints you the help and you'll be able to see the different commands that you can execute. In addition, you can head to etherlime.readthedocs.io and you can learn everything there is about Etherlime, including what's the latest version, whether the build is passing, what's the code coverage, or just find us on GitHub. Alternatively, you can head to the repository, which is github.com/limechain/etherlime and see the code that's there. So this is it for this intro video. Get the latest news for Etherlime by joining our Telegram channel, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube/LimeChain or follow us on Twitter with handle Etherlime. Thank you and see you soon.